Instagram has added a new feature that lets you watch Instagram Reels in 2x speed. Want to learn how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to fast forward Instagram Reels. Now let's get started. To get access to this feature, make sure you've updated your Instagram app to the newest version. Then open Instagram and open a specific video you'd like to watch, or go to the Reels feed to test this feature out. To fast forward through a reel, hold down the right side of your screen to begin playing in 2x speed. To continue watching at normal speed, simply release your finger from the screen. This is a great way to fast forward through part of a video you might not be interested in, or speed up a video that feels too slow-paced. That's all it takes to fast forward on Instagram Reels. To learn more about Instagram Reels, check out our Beginner's Guide to Reels next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.